Hello, food lovers! Today we're going on a culinary journey to explore English cuisine. English food is more than just fish and chips, you know. It's a delicious mix of traditional recipes and new ideas. When you think of English food, what comes to mind? Maybe it's the comforting aroma of a Sunday roast, complete with crispy roast beef and fluffy Yorkshire pudding. Or perhaps it's the satisfying crunch of a fish supper by the seaside. These dishes are classics for a reason. They're delicious, and they remind us of happy times with family and friends. But English cuisine is so much more than just these favorites. Let's discover the fascinating history of English food together. English cuisine has a long and interesting history. In medieval times, grand feasts were all the rage. Lords and ladies feasted on elaborate dishes like roasted meats, rich pies, and spiced wines. As time went on, English cooking changed. New ingredients arrived from different parts of the world. People started using spices like pepper and cinnamon, which added exciting new flavors to their dishes. In the Victorian era, afternoon tea became a beloved tradition. Imagine dainty sandwiches, freshly baked scones with clotted cream and jam, and a steaming pot of tea. Doesn't that sound delightful? From medieval feasts to Victorian tea parties, English cuisine has always reflected the times. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. Over the years, many talented chefs have shaped English cuisine. They've created iconic dishes, published influential cookbooks, and inspired generations of food lovers. These culinary pioneers have not only brought innovation to the kitchen, but have also made cooking accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Their contributions have left an indelible mark on the culinary world, making English cuisine renowned globally. From the bustling kitchens of London to the cozy countryside inns, these chefs have transformed the way we think about food. They have introduced new techniques, flavors, and ingredients, blending tradition with modernity. Their passion for food has inspired countless home cooks and professional chefs alike, creating a vibrant and dynamic culinary scene in England. One such culinary hero is Fanny Cradock. Fanny was a trailblazer in the world of television cooking, bringing her unique style and flair to the small screen. She was a famous television cook in the 1950s and 60s. Her shows were not just about recipes. They were about making cooking an entertaining and educational experience. Fanny taught people how to cook simple, delicious meals at home. Her approach was practical yet sophisticated, making gourmet cooking accessible to the everyday person. She demystified the art of cooking, encouraging viewers to experiment and enjoy the process. Then there's Marco Pierre White, known for his Michelin-starred restaurants and fiery personality. Marco's influence on the culinary world is profound. Marco championed modern European cuisine in England and trained many famous chefs. His dedication to excellence and his innovative approach have set new standards in the culinary industry. He has mentored a generation of chefs who continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in the kitchen. And who could forget Delia Smith? Delia is a household name known for her approachable and reliable recipes. Her cookbooks have sold millions of copies, making her one of the best-selling authors in the culinary world. Her recipes are known for being reliable and easy to follow. Delia's clear instructions and practical tips have made cooking less intimidating for many, turning novices into confident cooks. These culinary legends and many others have made English cuisine what it is today. Their legacy continues to inspire and influence the culinary world, ensuring that the rich tradition of English cooking thrives for generations to come. One of the most exciting things about English food today is its diversity. Over the centuries, England has welcomed people from all over the world, and they've brought their delicious food traditions with them. Today, you can find fantastic Indian curries, Chinese stir-fries, and Italian pizzas all over England. These global flavors have become a beloved part of English cuisine. This fusion of cultures has led to exciting new dishes. For example, have you ever tried a chicken tikka masala? It's a delicious curry that's said to have originated in Britain, blending Indian spices with a creamy tomato sauce. English cuisine is constantly evolving, embracing new flavors and ingredients. A fusion of flavors, modern trends. So what's cooking in English kitchens today? The culinary scene in England has undergone a remarkable transformation over the past few decades. Gone are the days when English cuisine was synonymous with bland and uninspired dishes. Today, it's a vibrant tapestry of flavors and techniques, drawing inspiration from around the world while staying true to its roots. Modern English cuisine is all about fresh, seasonal ingredients and exciting flavor combinations. Chefs are increasingly focusing on the quality and origin of their ingredients, ensuring that every dish tells a story of its own. The emphasis is on creating a harmonious balance between traditional and contemporary elements. Chefs are experimenting with local produce, creating innovative dishes that showcase the best of British ingredients. This approach not only supports local farmers, but also ensures that the food is as fresh and flavorful as possible. The farm-to-table movement has gained significant traction, with many restaurants forging direct relationships with local producers. Think roasted lamb with rosemary and garlic, or a summer pudding bursting with fresh berries. These dishes are not just about taste, they are a celebration of the seasons and the rich agricultural heritage of the country. Each bite is a testament to the skill and creativity of the chefs who bring these ingredients to life. There's also a growing interest in healthy and sustainable eating. More and more people are becoming conscious of what they put on their plates, seeking out foods that are not only good for them, but also good for the planet. This shift in consumer behavior is driving changes in how food is produced, packaged, and consumed. People want to know where their food comes from and how it's produced. Transparency and traceability have become key factors in food choices. Labels indicating the origins of food, the methods of production, and the ethical standards adhered to are now commonplace in markets and stores. This has led to a rise in organic farming, farmers markets, and restaurants that prioritize local and ethical sourcing. The connection between the farm and the fork has never been stronger, with consumers actively seeking out establishments that share their values and commitment to sustainability. English cuisine is vibrant and constantly evolving, with chefs pushing boundaries and creating delicious new dishes. The culinary landscape is a dynamic and exciting place, where tradition meets innovation, and every meal is an opportunity to experience something truly special. From the bustling markets to the high-end restaurants, the spirit of modern English cuisine is one of creativity, sustainability, and a deep respect for the ingredients that make it all possible. Technology at the table. AI in restaurants. Just like in other parts of our lives, technology is changing how we cook and eat. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is making its way into restaurants in fascinating ways. Imagine walking into a restaurant where a robot waiter greets you and takes your order, or a self-cleaning table that resets itself after you've finished your meal. These futuristic scenarios are becoming a reality thanks to AI. AI is also helping restaurants run more efficiently. It can be used to manage reservations, track inventory, and even personalize menus based on customer preferences. These technological advancements are changing the dining experience, making it more convenient and personalized. The Smart Kitchen Revolution. AI isn't just changing restaurants, it's transforming our kitchens at home too. Smart kitchen appliances are becoming increasingly popular. Imagine an oven that knows the perfect temperature and cooking time for your roast chicken, or a refrigerator that can order groceries online when you're running low. These smart appliances can be controlled remotely using your smartphone or voice commands. Smart kitchens are all about making our lives easier and more efficient. They can help us cook healthier meals, reduce food waste, and save time on everyday tasks. With the help of AI, the future of cooking is looking pretty smart. AI-powered recipes. Personalized plates. Have you ever wished for a recipe book that could create personalized meal plans based on your dietary needs and preferences? Well, thanks to AI, that's now possible. AI-powered recipe apps are changing how we cook. These apps can generate personalized recipes based on your dietary restrictions, allergies, and even the ingredients you have on hand. They can also suggest alternative ingredients, adjust portion sizes, and provide step-by-step cooking instructions with videos and images. With AI-powered recipe apps, cooking delicious and healthy meals has never been easier or more personalized. The future of food, AI and English cuisine. As AI technology continues to develop, it's exciting to imagine how it will shape the future of English cuisine. The integration of AI in the culinary world is not just a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. Imagine walking into a kitchen where robotic arms are seamlessly preparing your favorite dishes, guided by holographic recipe projections that ensure every ingredient is measured to perfection. Perhaps we'll see robots working alongside chefs in kitchens, preparing dishes with precision and speed. These robots could handle repetitive tasks, allowing chefs to focus on creativity and innovation. The collaboration between human chefs and AI could lead to a new era of culinary excellence, where traditional techniques are enhanced by cutting-edge technology. Or maybe AI will create entirely new flavors and dishes that we can't even imagine yet. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, AI can experiment with unique ingredient combinations and cooking methods, pushing the boundaries of what we consider possible in the kitchen. Imagine tasting a dish that has never been created before, a true fusion of science and art. One thing's for sure, AI has the potential to revolutionize how we cook, eat, and experience food. From smart kitchen appliances that can suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have, to AI-driven cooking classes that teach you new techniques, the possibilities are endless. This technology could make gourmet cooking accessible to everyone, regardless of their culinary skills. It's an exciting time to be a food lover in England. The fusion of AI and traditional English cuisine offers a unique opportunity to explore new flavors and dining experiences. Imagine dining in a restaurant where every dish is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, crafted with the help of AI. From traditional favorites to cutting-edge innovations, English cuisine is a delicious blend of history, culture, and technology. Chefs are finding new ways to incorporate AI into their cooking, creating dishes that honor the past while embracing the future. This blend of old and new is what makes English cuisine so special and exciting. So why not grab your apron and try cooking up some English magic in your own kitchen? With AI tools and gadgets becoming more accessible, you can experiment with new recipes and techniques right at home. Embrace the future of food and discover the endless possibilities that AI brings to the culinary world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.